Is LipoBound really the revolutionary fat-burning solution it claims to be, or is it just another overhyped supplement with more marketing than results? With promises like shrinking existing fat cells, preventing new fat from forming, boosting your metabolism, cutting down cravings, and increasing energy levels, all without using harsh stimulants, it's no surprise this product is catching people's attention. On the surface, it sounds like a dream come true for anyone trying to lose weight. But when we started digging into the details, things didn't quite add up. First, there's no official proof of FDA approval or GMP, Good Manufacturing Practices certification, which means we can't be sure of the product's quality control or safety standards. On top of that, there's no solid scientific research or clinical studies publicly available to back up the specific claims made by LipoBound, which is a serious concern for anyone relying on real results. What also stood out was the aggressive marketing, bold claims, high-pressure sales tactics, and a flood of reviews that seemed too good to be true, which leads many to believe they may be fake or paid. Another issue is that some evidence suggests LipoBound could be a rebranded version of an older supplement that didn't perform well in the market. This doesn't necessarily mean the product is a scam, but it definitely makes it hard to trust the promises at face value. While a few users have reported mild benefits like reduced appetite or slightly better energy, the overall feedback is mixed and inconsistent. Bottom line, this isn't a glowing review, but it's not a total write-off either. If you're curious and still considering trying LipoBound for yourself, the link to buy it is tagged in this video. Just make sure you're making a decision based on facts, not just flashy claims.